Guys, we're gonna break out the Sear N Sizzle for the Ninja Foodi Grill. Do a couple fillets, do a couple little pork chops. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today? Guys, we're gonna break out the Sear N Sizzle for the Ninja Foodi Grill today. I got a couple of nice fillets and a couple little skinny pork chops. My boss actually recently sent me some stuff from Omaha Steaks. So we're gonna bust those out and we're gonna cook them on here. So you know they're good quality. If they're from Omaha Steaks, you know they're good quality. We're gonna do the fillets and the pork chops at the same time. And I know you guys might be thinking like, that's crazy talk because you cook different temperatures. But these little pork chops are really thin. The fillets are a bit thicker. And as we're cooking, we'll check the temps and pull them out if we need to. So that's the good thing about the Ninja Foodi Grill too, is you can lift the lid and then close the lid and, you know, move and groove if you need to, okay? Really simple, really easy to do. We're gonna get that grill temperature screaming hot, get those really nice, deep grill marks that you get from that Sear N Sizzle, and these things are gonna be amazing, all right? Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island, and let's get started. Okay guys, we're on the Ninja Foodi Grill station. We got our Sear N Sizzle in there. We are going to shut it down, turn it on. We're going to do max heat for the grill. All right, 510 degrees, start that preheating. And then while we're waiting for that to preheat, we're going to season up our steaks and our pork chops. For the steaks, we're going to use Uncle Steve's thick meat. I hate saying that, Steve. I really do. The link down below for Steve's Uncle Steve's shake. Good dude. Big helper of my my channel. So go ahead and give him some love, would you? Maybe you too could get some of Uncle Steve's thick meat. So bad. Steve, you got issues, son. All right, we're gonna get all sides of these fillets. This one's a little loose right here. The tender one's kind of coming apart. I'm not going to tie it up. I think it'll firm up in there. And for the pork chops, we have a little applewood bacon smoke infused rub. I'm a brand ambassador for Pit Boss Grills. This is some of their stuff they sent me, but I believe you can't get it at Lowe's. This is just, it's smoke infused and it's applewood bacon. So I thought, you know, applewood is great on pork, and bacon flavoring on pork is, well, I guess it's a little redundant, but you know, it'll be good. So we get both of those covered each side. Yeah, pat them down. A little bit more. You can smell the smokiness from this already. It's smoke infused, so it's good stuff. All right, once this is done preheating, we'll get these on the grill. Okay, we're nice and preheated. I'm gonna spread a little avocado oil on there. Let's get these pork chops on. Now we're gonna get the fillets on. Give them a nice press. You want to make sure all the surfaces is touching. Okay. shut it down. We're gonna cook it for about a minute, minute and a half. We'll lift up the top, rotate the meat 180, and then we should be able to finish these up pretty quickly. Okay, a minute and a half has gone by. Rotate. Same with the pork. Yeah, shut it down another minute and a half, 2 minutes. We'll check the temps and see what we're at. 3 minutes in. Let's see how we're temping out. 82. All right, looking good. 105. Okay. All right, we're gonna do another minute on this side. We're gonna keep checking the temperature every minute or so. We're gonna take the pork chops to 145. Gonna take the fillets to 125. Okay, another minute's gone by. Just gonna flip this one real quick. Come on now, stay together for me. These pork chops are about done. This fillet is about done. Give it another 30 seconds and we should be good to go. All right, we gotta go about a minute. Let's check these temps. 142, it's good enough for me. 126, that's good. All right, this fillet can use a little bit more time. Yeah, this fillet is about where I like it. We're gonna pull the lid off and let it rest. And the pork chops are about ready too. So, we'll get this one like right in the middle here. Get some good heat on. Get some good heat on it, and we're good to go. Okay, we let this one go another minute or so. Let's get it off and let it rest. Okay, we let these rest a few minutes. Got my big old knife right here. Let's just cut into these. Let's take a look. Juicy as can be. Perfect. We'll slide that right back in because we still got to take our picture for the thumbnail. Yeah, the all important thumbnail. Our beef right here. Alright, looks good. So we got a nice medium in there. Perfect, perfect. You know, I like it a little bit medium rare, but you know, looks pretty dang good, especially for a indoor grill. Not bad. Let me take a picture for the thumbnail and we'll come on back and talk. Okay guys, we're all done. These turned out perfect. It was great timing. Get it? Great. Grill great. SearNSizzle. So funny. Dad joke 101. All right, let's try one of these little bite of the fillet. So good, so good. Give Uncle Steve's shake a try, guys. This stuff is excellent. It's not just for meat. I mean, you can put it on anything. It's a great seasoning salt. So if you're into using like Lowry's, the shake is good. It's a good substitute. Very good, very tasty. All right, let's try some of this pork chop, this juicy pork chop. Yeah, it was very good. I like that seasoning salt too. Adds a little smoky flavor. As you guys know, I'm always trying to bring the outdoors in, and that's a good little substitute rub for that. And the smoked applewood bacon infused goes perfect on pork chops. All right, so everybody's always asking me, how long do I cook something? Okay, now if you're cooking like some mac and cheese, all right, you got a time frame. But anytime you're cooking meat, you cook the temperature. And that's why I always have this ThermoPro with me. And you always see me using it in my videos. This is a perfect example of that. We cook 2 different proteins in here that take 2 different times and go to 2 different internal temperatures. So by using my ThermoPro instant read thermometer, I was able to cook both the filet and the pork chop perfectly. Obviously it varies by the size of the protein, but it works. And one of the best things about the Ninja Foodi Grill is you can lift the lid, check it, go back and forth a little bit. The link for the Sear'NSizzle will be down below. It is an affiliate link. I am an affiliate. Every little bit helps for the channel. You guys see me using these Doll Strong knives in my video. I am an affiliate with them also. So if you'd like to get one of those, click the link down below. I'm gonna be doing a review on these knives pretty soon, so look out for that. But there is a discount coupon code that'll save you 10%, okay? Cooking with CJ. And then you guys, I'm sure you've noticed my new cutting board that I've been using that has my logo on there. Actually, both logos for both channels. That's from Haley Home Decor. Another one I'm affiliated with. Guys, as YouTubers, we do all we can to find ways to finance our dream of cooking and sharing and all that. So we become brand ambassadors, affiliates, use Amazon links and so on. So if you want a personalized cutting board, and again, I'll be doing a review for that soon, click on Haley Home down below. If you use my code on there, it's 15% off your order. These are great boards to use. They come in various sizes. I have the biggest one because I do the most cooking on this, so check it out. If you guys want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, links down below. If you want to get some Cooking with CJ merch, links down below. I am on Instagram at _Cooking with CJ, on Facebook, Cooking with CJ, Twitter, Cooking with CJ _. I am in every brand of social media you can think of. Find me on Pinterest, all right? I hope you all have a wonderful week. Thank you all for stopping by. Thanks for Cooking with CJ. Take care.